Another gospel artist by the name Sammy Irungu has been exposed days after the big expose for Mary Lincon.
Hapo hivyo nimechini na Holy J.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?
Hello guys, and welcome back to Holy J TV. Of course, it's your boy Holy J, your number one infotainment news plug. Na manze, kama uja subscribe kwa hii channel, kindly consider doing that because great content is coming, and thank you so much manze, ile support mnaendelea kunionyesha as usual. I salute you guys. So kuna hii story just days after the big expose yenye iliacha gospel artists and Kenyans at large wakiwa wameshangaa sana na wameshtuka what is happening in the gospel music industry. Now, another Kikuyu gospel artist by the name Sammy Irungu has been put on the spot for being a deadbeat dad. This is after a lady from Mwiki reached out to one Kamau Watoria and accused the popular singer of failing to take care of their child. According to the lady, she fell in love with the married singer and fell pregnant. However, things went south after she gave birth. The singer cut communication and left her to take care of the child single-handedly. He has never sent her even a single cent despite minting millions of shillings during campaigns. After Kamau's expose, several ladies came forward and spilled more dirt on the popular gospel singer. One of the ladies who live in Mwiki, where Sammy runs a music studio, reveals that his rogue behaviors are well known in the area. She also revealed that Sammy Irungu is a notorious womanizer, a serial deadbeat dad, and a drunkard. Another lady who used to work in a circle revealed that after one of the senior managers at the farm died, Sammy Irungu started seducing his wife even before he was buried. In the meantime guys, kindly comment down there and tell us what you think about this story. In the meantime, it's been your boy Holy J, and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.